GEVO stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether GEVO Incorporated stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Yeah, we reached the gap. Like, obviously it was expected, but it's not that I'm gonna like randomly buy. I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, documented everything, but like just still observing GEVO. The only thing that I really wanted to see was either like it did not even have to pull back inside a demand area, but this is like even a plus. But I really just want to see a proper 30-minute or even 15-minute shift in order for me to move forward, and that's going to be double break about here. Because like even if I come back to the 30-minute chart, this is still a phenomenal 30-minute range. So as long as I see the double break, then I have the green light to move forward, you know. So that's how GEVO looks like. We'll put things here. That's GEVO, and yeah, that's about it. So let me know what is your opinion on it. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.